So what to do for find the factor by the method of completing the square. Okay, so here first of all you will observe here what is the coefficient of x square, means coefficient of x square should be 1, and here is already the coefficient of x square is 1. So after that now you will find the half of the coefficient of x. Now half of coefficient of x. So here is half of 4, that is 2. After this step now square of half of coefficient of x. So it is here 2, therefore square of 2 this equal to 2 square means 4. Now what to do after this? Now you will add and subtract four in the given equation. So you will get here this is x square minus 4x plus 2. This is the given equation. X square minus 4x plus 2 equal to 0. This is the given equation. So what to do after this? Means minus 4 you subtract and add it also. So plus 4 and minus 4 equal to 0. After this step what to do? इस स्टेप के बाद फिर क्या करना है? You will write it as just like that x square minus 4x and the positive number you will write here and close the bracket. After that mark plus sign and then remaining things you will write in the second bracket. So remaining things here is this 2 and minus 4. So this 2 and minus 4 you will write in this bracket and this positive number you will write in this and close the bracket. Okay. So after this step you will get here 2 and minus 4 equal to 0. So after this you will get this step. This is the totally square of any algebraic expression. So you will write here x and then you will write this sign. Which sign is given here? This is the negative sign. So you mark the negative sign here for this sign. You will observe only this sign. Keep in mind. So you will write here negative sign means minus and then what you find the half of coefficient of x. So this is the half of the coefficient of x. You will write this number, that is minus 2 and write this into the whole square. And after that what is the solution of these things? इसका solution क्या होगा? 2 minus 4 that is minus 2. So you will write here minus 2 equal to 0. After that this step you will write it as x minus 2 whole square equal to transpose this 2 to right side, therefore you will get plus 2. Okay, so what you will get now after this step? Taking the square root on both sides, taking the square root on both sides, so you will get here that is x minus 2, this is the square root of this number, square हट जाएगा, and the right hand side you will write plus minus under root 2. Okay, so now transpose this 2 to right side, transpose this 2 to right side, you will get just like that, x equal to 2 plus minus under root 2. So finally this is the answer. Once time you will take the positive sign and other time you will take the negative sign. So the value of x, therefore roots are 2 plus under root 2 by taking positive sign and 2 minus root 2 by taking the negative sign. So this is the finally answer of this question. For any doubt, I want to tell you that another question. So here is the next question. This is 3x square plus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So how can you find the factor by the method of completing square? Easily. You can first of all write the coefficient of x square as unity. तो आप देखेंगे कि यहाँ पे जो एक्स स्क्वायर का कोफिशिएंट है वो क्या है? 3 है, और आपको यहाँ पे 1 चाहिए, तो क्या करेंगे? यू डिवाइड दिस होल इक्वेशन बाय 3. तो आपको समझ में आ गया होगा कि जो कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर है उसे यूनिट बनाने के लिए क्या करना है? जो भी यहाँ पे कोफिशिएंट लिखा है उस कोफिशिएंट से आपको होल इक्वेशन को डिवाइड कर लेना है. तो जब आप इसे डिवाइड करेंगे तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? Yes, of course you will get on, you will write here on dividing by 3 given equation. So we will get that is x square minus plus 2 by 3 x minus 1 by 3 equal to 0 by 3. सो होल इक्वेशन को हमने 3 से डिवाइड कर लिया. तो आप देख रहे हैं कि यहाँ पे जो कोफिशिएंट है वो आपका यूनिटी हो गया, कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर यूनिट हो गया. तो आपका यहाँ पे हो जाएगा एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 2 by 3 x minus 1 by 3 equal to 0 by 3 means 0. After that in the next step what to do? अब आप क्या करेंगे? सेकेंड स्टेप में पहला स्टेप तो हो गया कि आपने जो एक्स स्क्वायर का कोफिशिएंट था उसको 1 बना लिया, और अब क्या करेंगे? नाउ यू विल फाइंड द हाफ ऑफ द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स. नाउ 1 by 2 and the coefficient of x is 2 by 3. So this is 1 by 3 because 2 and 2 is cancelled out. So you will get it 1 by 3. This is the half of coefficient of x. Now square of square of the coefficient of x, it is what? That is, you will get 1 by 3 whole square equal to 1 by 9. So you will, in the third step, what to do? In the third step, you will add and subtract this 1 by 9 in the given equation. इस 1 by 9 को आप इस इक्वेशन में ऐड भी करेंगे और सब्ट्रैक्ट भी करेंगे, तो क्या मिलेगा? यस, ऑफ कोर्स यू विल गेट हियर दैट एक्स स्क्वायर minus 2 by 3x minus 1 by 3, this is same to same, and adding 1 by 9 and subtracting 1 by 9 equal to, you will write same to same, this is because right hand side is 0, तो आपने इसे add कर लिया और subtract कर लिया. After that, in the third step, what you will write? You will write this x square minus 2 by 3x as same to same and write this positive number here with the this expression. इस expression के साथ positive number हमेशा लिखना है, याद रखिए. So you will write this number, that is plus 1 by 9, and close this bracket, and remaining things you will write in the second bracket, that is minus 1 by 3 and minus 1 by 9, this equal to 0. So what to do after this? Yes, of course, you will write this just into the form of whole square. That is, you will write first of all x, and observe what is the sign here. Here is the sign is minus, so you will mark negative sign in this place. And now what is the half of the coefficient of x? So the half of the coefficient of x you will have to find here 1 by 3. So you will write here 1 by 3 also. So what to do after this? That is minus 1 by 3, and write this just into the whole square, and plus simplify this. The LCM of this is 9. So 3 3s are 9. You will write here 3, and here is 1, and negative sign you will write here. So this is the plus. Okay, equal to 0. So now dear, what to do after this? You will get this x minus 1 by 3 and whole square equal to just plus, this is you minus, why minus? Because the multiplication of plus and minus, what? This is minus. So you will write here minus in this place, and this is 4 by 9 equal to 0. So after this step, what to do? After this step, you will get here, transpose this, the numerical value, that is minus 4 by 9 into right hand side. So you will get 4 by 9, because minus convert into the positive sign. So after this, what to do? Now taking the square root, on both sides, we get here, that is into the right hand side. When you will take the square root, then this square will be removed, and the square root of 4 is 2, and the square root of 9 is 3. So you will write just like that. This is x minus 1 by 3 equal to, and this is plus minus 2 by 3. Now transpose this 1 by 3 to the right hand side. So this is the negative sign, convert into the positive sign. You will get just like that, x equal to plus minus 2 by 3 and plus 1 by 3 also. Now you take once upon a time plus sign, and after that the second sign. So what you will get after this? Yes, you will get taking positive sign. So you will get here x equal to plus 2 by 3 and plus 1 by 3. On solving it, this is 3 by 3, that is 1. Okay, now take in negative sign. What you will get here? When you will take the negative sign, then it will be x equal to minus 2 by 3 and plus 1 by 3. On simplifying it, that is minus 1 by 3. So dear, the roots of the given equation, therefore the roots of the given equation just x equal to 1 and minus 1 by 3. So dear, this is the final answer of this question. So this is the method. So dear,